All right, the next thing we're going to do is create a Google form so that we can have the locks actually put into this, this course. So we'll look at how to create the form first. So go to forms.google.com. And again, you'll have to have a Gmail account to log into this, but if you already have created the site, then you should have one. And then you're going to start a new form. So right here, you're just going to click on the plus, and it should be a blank one. And you can give that form a title. So we're going to call this Locks for Breakout. And then we're going to put in our different questions. Now our questions here are going to give the descriptions of what the locks are. So this could be the directional lock or the color lock or the digit lock. So let's call this a 4-digit numerical lock. And what you've actually seen is based on my previous types of questions, it has automatically defined this. So I'm just going to remove that little section here. I'll show you how to add that in. But basically what we want to do is we want to change the question type to being a short answer for this case, because we want them to put in the answer, say 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I want to do here, first thing I want to do is make sure that this is a required question. So I'm going to toggle that on. And then I'm going to click on these 3 dots here, and I'm going to select response validation. This is going to check and see that whatever they put in meets the conditions that I want it to meet. So right now it says a number is greater than something. You can choose from text, things like that. But right now we'll just do the number. So we'll say the number is greater than, we're going to change that to equal to, and we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means if they put in 1, 2, 3, 4, it will say, well, it won't say anything. It'll just allow them to proceed. The custom error text here is what we want it to say if it's incorrect. So I'm going to put in still locked. Try again. Okay. Then I've got that question in there. So then I'm going to add another question. And let's say this one I want to be a alphanumeric lock. So it can be numbers or letters. Or I can just maybe do a 5-letter word lock. So this is a 5-letter word lock. So again, I'm going to do the short answer. I'm going to make sure that response validation is on and it's a required question. And now this time I'm going to say that the text, we don't want it to contain something. Actually, we can actually do regular expression instead of that, because if you have contains, then basically if the answer was, say, kayak and they had kayaking, then the answer would still be correct, which we don't want. So we can change that to be something like regular expression. And we're going to say it has to be matches. And then you type in whatever it is. So I'm going to say K-A-Y-A-K. And what I'm going to put inside here as well in the question now is I'm going to put all caps, no spaces, so that they know that the word has to be typed in as all uppercase. So that way you don't have people typing it in incorrectly. And again, still same thing, still locked. If they get it wrong, try all caps. And then we're good there.